Virendra, thank you so much for joining us. I want to talk about the FT India Feeder US Opportunities Fund. It's a long name, but you should keep that in mind. Now, in June, Virendra recommended this fund to us, and the fund has been a top performer among international funds with a return of 52% over the last 1 year. Now, given that we might be looking at the possibility of the rupee losing value even further, Virendra, what prospects do this fund have now? And for those of us who didn't invest back then, can we still get started?
The primary driver for having an international fund in your portfolio is to diversify, and choosing a fund which is very well diversified is the best way of going about it. Investors should not be, when you have to diversify, you should not be diversifying by choosing a thematic fund or an exotic international fund. That was the primary reason. A lot of people might think that, why a US fund? My sense of, we think that the US fund is a diversified vehicle simply because the underlying companies have global businesses. So that was the primary reason why this fund was a likable fund or looked a strong prospect. That apart, this fund has had a long overseas history. Besides that, I think the rupee depreciation or rupee appreciation can be a tactical